2004 Ford Focus. Installing the torque converter. Put a new shaft seal. A new output shaft seal. I'm gonna reinstall torque converter. Okay. That's how you install torque converter Ford Focus. You hear that last click? It's locked into place on that shaft. And that's what you want. And when you're taking it out, you always want to mark how far it was back in, so you know once it's seated in there, you know it's seated. Okay? Alright? And it's locked into there. Okay? That's how you install a torque converter Ford Focus. I'm gonna lube this little shaft up here with anti-seed so it can fit into that crankshaft. You know, that little hole. Alright. This transmission is gonna last a very long time, because I do regular maintenance on it. And the reason why I took it apart, because I got to replace that rear main seal on the Ford Focus. Alright, if you got any questions working on the Ford Focus, let me know. I'll help you. Alright. That torque converter is seated in there firm. You hear that last click? Like a click. Click. Alright. Later. And also I mark it. So when I line up the flex plate, I'm gonna line the flex plate up with a mark on the torque converter, so these welded bolts could go into the hole, the tight little hole in the flex plate evenly. And I can start my bolts to my crankshaft, you know, clockwise, till all these line up, start a nut,